In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customer statements in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool that helps businesses manage their finances with ease. One important feature is the ability to send customer statements, which give your clients a clear summary of their transactions, outstanding balances, and payment details. Whether you're managing a small business or a larger operation, knowing how to send accurate statements can save time and improve communication with your customers. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on the option labeled Sales. This will bring you to the Sales dashboard, where you can manage all your customer-related activities. Next, select the Customers tab. This is where you'll find a list of all your customers stored in QuickBooks. To locate the specific customer you need, you can either use the search bar at the top of the page or apply filters to narrow down the list. This makes it easy to quickly find the customer you're looking for, even if you have a long list of clients. Once you've found the customer, click on their name to open their profile here. You'll see all the details related to that customer, including their contact information, transaction history, and any outstanding balances. Now, look toward the top right corner of the customer's profile and click on New Transaction. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Statement. This will open a new page for creating a customer statement. At this point, you'll need to choose the type of statement you want to send. QuickBooks offers three options: Balance Forward, Open Item, and Transaction Statement. Balance Forward provides a summary of the customer's account balance as of a specific date. Open Item lists all unpaid invoices, and a transaction statement shows detailed activity for a defined period. Choose the type that best fits your needs. Once you've selected the statement type, it's time to set the dates. You'll need to specify a start date and an end date for the statement. These dates determine the transactions and information that will appear in the statement, so make sure to double-check that they align with the time frame you want to cover. After setting the dates, you're ready to save the statement. You'll see two options, Save or Save and Send. If you just want to save the statement for your records, click Save. But if you're ready to email it to the customer immediately, click Save and Send. If you choose Save and Send, a preview of the email will appear on your screen. Take a moment to review the message and confirm that the customer's email address is correct. You can also make any adjustments to the email text if needed. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send to email the statement to your customer. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, such as the statement type or date range, you can go back and make changes before finalizing the email. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.